rods. I'm sure they're listening in on the purple.
The tremor.
Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. I haven't done this in 3 weeks, so I'm still a bit rusty at the controls. So last time we managed to actually beat here in Savali the things we need to do. We can come back here later, so let's go to the next level.
On Sargasso, you said you gave Ratchet the Dimensionator so that he could find the other Lombaxes. I never thought I'd meet one of us, much less find our home, if you can even call it that. Do you really think it would work?
No.
No? No! What happened here?
I am uncertain. Now that was exhilarating. That crystal is a substance called the BLIZAR. It appears to have stored energy from the dimensional rifts.
Whoa. Another dimension. Is this your BLIZAR?
No, but we can find intact phase quartz here. We should seek out the miners.
Indigenous creatures detected. Lockdown initiated.
Facility lockdown. Oh, that cannot be good.
Let's worry about the toxic crabs first! What was that?
Seismic activity, perhaps caused by the crumbling barriers between dimensions.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Facility damage warning. Safety lockdown.
We need to reach the other side.
Haven't you punished me enough? You stupid universe! No job, no phase quartz, no planet. What else do you want, huh? My mind? Fine, take it!
If it helps, I just found out there's another dimension where BLIZAR's still intact, so...
Still intact. How do you... Of course! The BLIZAR! If the planet hasn't been destroyed yet.
Who was that? Do you know what she was talking about?
She must be a survivor of whatever happened here.
All right, we need another BLIZAR crystal. Oh, come on!
How dare you!
Got him. So how are we gonna get the phase quartz?
We should speak to a miner or engineer in the intact dimension.
I need to find them. They need to know.
This area is currently on lockdown. Please vacate the facility at your earliest and safest convenience. Thank you, and have a blazing BLIZAR day.
We're locked in. Aha! Got it.
Lockdown reset.
Bro! Where are we? Who cares? Grab the Lombax!
More goons for less.
Your most elite division!
These bros always travel in herds.
Those grenades! Ortiz, Robo-Boy!
Honestly, kind of cute. Room goons might be elite, but not as elite as us.
Please keep your hands and feet inside. And avoid the insta-death lava bubbling all around you. Thank you, and have a blazing BLIZAR day.
Thanks for the help, Bolts. Not really used to it.
We will need a way to mine the phase quartz. Perhaps the giant drill.
Let's find someone who can point us to it.
This is the mining hub. Perhaps someone here can direct us to the drill. The Chief Engineer's survey station should be nearby.
You're just full of fun facts, huh?
Indeed. For example, the average miner spends 72% of their life underground.
Whoa, really?
No, but I would hate to bore you by running out of trivia. These individuals appear as confused as we are.
Earthquakes, lockdowns, interdimensional rifts. Can't really blame them. That must be the chief engineer. Hello?
Do you hear that?
No.
Voices. Haven't been hearing them for too long. Wherever the purple is, they are too. First the quakes and the BLIZAR. Now this.
I don't hear anything. Except someone asking if you'll be drilling for phase quartz soon.
Not until I determine what's going on. For all we know, this whole drill site is haunted. That's why I sent my science bots out to scan the purple.
And?
I have to pick them up. When I know it's safe.
Why wait? I'll find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension. Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there and prevent it here. Let's go.
Testing comms. The bots would have followed the paths marked by the survey rods. I'm sure they're listening in on the purple.
The tremor.
Greetings. We are in the greatest of dangers. Follow. Be quick. Please come. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. Hurry. Hurry. Scorched first milk.
Control is correct. Finally. A decent connection. I need to warn you about very dangerous.
Indeed. We should be cautious.
I am overheating. If only I could sweat. I must flee.
I'll ping her so she comes back to me. Looks like she picked up an audio file. I'll start cleaning it up. There's an old research lab ahead. I know Jim. That's where he'd head first.
Jim? Oh, right. Another bot. On it.
Identified, non-hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best friend?
No. You should head back to the chief engineer.
Friendship request denied. Sad noises. Returning to chief engineer.
Aww.
Stop fussing, Jim. Hopefully he picked up interdimensional messages and didn't get distracted trying to find friends.
Are you always suspicious that anyone you meet works for Emperor Nefarious?
Pretty much everyone I meet does work for Emperor Nefarious.
Ah, a fair point.
Drill platforms. Well, defunct ones. 1,000,000% sure rifts opened over here. We'll definitely find the bots.
Okay, I see the bot over on that platform on the right, past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it. We have reached the bot platform, but the functional bot is in the intact dimension.
Right. We're missing something.
Oh! The crane moved the crystal!
This may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
Engaging charming accent. What are y'all doing here? Returning to Chief Engineer with important message.
Oh, Sam is trying to find herself. One step closer to figuring out this message. That's all of them. Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bots picked up from the other side.
Proximity warning. Hazardous life forms detected. Facility security lockdown engaged.
Don't worry. I designed the security system myself. Except that motion trackers are saying they're inside the house. Room. Me. The ceiling. I always forget to look up. What the heck is that thing?
Location unknown. Life forms unknown. Protocol destroy.
A gift from my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal.
You were lucky this time.
How am I supposed to unlock the secrets of a shattered dimension? And these fish keep tearing my mind inside.
Sensing energy blast. Insolence level.
Native life forms no longer detected. Security walls disarmed. Thank you, and have a blazing BLIZAR day.
Phew. Okay, minor setback. Gonna take a little longer to decode this message. But you guys can use the drill. Jim will take you there.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Sure?
Happy noises. I will take you to our phase quartz extracting drill in the name of...
Whoa! That can't be good!
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Good. That means you can deal with it.
As your best friend, I must warn you that dimensional integrity could have affected the drill.
What's that mean?
As your best friend, I do not want you to worry, so I will not expound at this time. Instead, impromptu music.
I can't authorize drill usage until the blockage in that tube is cleared.
We should go for karaoke after this. Do you like karaoke?
Ah, my eyes.
Clank, I just saw Ratchet on Savali.
You did? How is he?
Great! Thinner than I am, but appropriately heroic. But I digress. Your possibilities are waiting for you.
Now we can deal with the clock.
Yeah, I set the top mind on the tube executing. That did it! Hydraulic supply restored!
With that fixed, We should now be able to use that elevator.
Time to drill for some phase quartz. Almost there. There's the drill, phase quartz, repair the dimensionator.
In case I do not get another chance to say it, thank you.
Don't get mushy on me now, Bolts. We're not done yet. Hey, look! The Pro Squad is back.
I cannot help thinking.
What?
We still do not know what happened to your dimension's BLIZAR.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension. Nowhere to go!
First earthquakes. And we thought, okay, lockdown. It wasn't enough!
We are fast approaching the main drill.
Wow! It's been my lifelong dream to operate a drill 100 times bigger than me.
Really? That is very specific.
Specific goals are achievable goals.
Lombax robot, brilliant news. I decoded the message from beyond. Listen.
Finally, to reception. Listen, do not turn on the drill. The rift damaged it. The drill destroyed our BLIZAR.
What? But we just turned it on!
Take cover! Lockdown engaged! I can try a remote shutdown. Boy, a bad cheese!
Oh, it's a freaking drill!
I thought you loved giant machinery.
I want to change it apart.
Our network keeps faltering. I should have upgraded a faster service.
Phase quartz, suspended in the drill beam.
Knock it out with my hammer.
Please, be careful.
Yes!
There! Capture them and take whatever they are carrying.
Oh, you guys.
We must return to the other dimension quickly.
How dare you fly our emerald!
Sorry, but I have to destroy you now. You should not be armed, Lombax.
Update the tools 4.331. Prepare for sweet death and have a blazing BLIZAR day.
We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
What is your plan?
That dropship. Big and heavy.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or, if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it and stop the planet from shattering.
Normally I'd say that's against protocol, but this is the pre-post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it!
Then, brace for impact.
Hello? It is your best friend, Jim. Please do not die, as I deleted my sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Rivet. Oh, no.
Well, maybe it's not as bad as it... I know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Torin 4 called the Fixer. If it's broke, the Fixer'll fix it.
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
I can't believe we saved BLIZAR. How about we fix up this phase quartz and save the universe?
You hear that? That's the sound of me destroying lies. Dirty, filthy lies. They say this dimension is unstable. We're being sucked into a formless void. False. Otherwise, I order you to throw your eyes into the local incinerator because they are clearly malfunctioning. More importantly, the Lombax Vandals have not escaped. How could they if... I haven't even caught them yet, huh? You morons! Here. You want some truth? My Lombax bounty is now 27 squadrillion Farabox. Just look at it all. So big, so real, so totally not made up. And it can all be yours when you catch those stupid Lombaxes.
It seems Dr. Nefarious will stop at nothing to catch us.
We better keep moving.
This is something we can do in the next video. Let's see how long it took. 30 minutes, which is quite better than the first time I did it, which took me an hour. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.